guys, AXJ, the Spirit Coach here, and today we are about to do something a little different. We're going to talk a little bit about spirituality, and we're going to put a little twist on it here on the Spirit Lounge. Let's have some fun, shall we? So many people ask me, okay, Alicia, what is spirituality? What is it all about? What it means to be spiritual? What is spirituality? Well, guess what I'm going to tell you. Spirituality, for many people, is a concept with many angles and ideas, meaning it can be perceived through many perspectives. But for the sake of this video, I want to help you understand the art of spirituality and how it's defined as the quality of being concerned. Oh! Ah! See, I had a jacket on and then I took the jacket off. And now I'm sneezing. So let's see if we can do this again, okay? So one of the good things about doing videos is that you have the option to edit whatever the heck you want to edit out of your video. But okay. Spirituality for many people is a concept with many angles and ideas. Now remember, I talked to you before about ideas, and people have causes and ideas that they kind of believe in when we talked a little bit about the law of attraction. But for this video, I want you to understand that spirituality can be perceived through what I like to call many perspectives, okay? But I want to help you understand that the art of spirituality and how it's defined as the quality of being concerned with the nature of things metaphysically. I guess I probably need to talk a little bit about metaphysics, but we'll do that in another video. Right now, I just simply want to talk about spirituality and what it means to practice spirituality, okay? So when we get into talking about the nature of things, we are actually talking about as in the human spirit or soul, as opposed to material and physical things. For many people who are embarking on the spiritual journey, they have discovered something that they may haven't discovered before. Usually we discover a deep sense of aliveness, interconnectedness, this unshakable feeling, mostly through experience indirectly to ourselves. We have to question those experiences. We have to sit back and say, whoa, what just happened here? What is the meaning of that experience? And we can talk more about that as we go along in the series of these videos. We must remember that through these experiences, we may find and discover the true spirituality has a deep connection to an experience that is beyond the five senses, the mind or intellect. We're going to get further into that. That's the good part. But if we were to be honest in this moment right now, isn't all human life a spiritual experience? The moment you wake up, from the moment you go to sleep, your entire life is based on spiritual experiences. Many people don't know that. But let's be clear. Spirituality is not necessarily religious. Many people often confuse spirituality with religion. There are similarities, but spirituality is much broader, and it can stand on its own without religion. We're going to talk more about that. Yes, some people can be both spiritual and religious, and it is also possible for one to be religious without being spiritual, or vice versa. I mean, both sides of the fence. I mean, pick one. Spirituality doesn't mean any particular practice, although there are some. It is really up to the individual to choose what works best for him or her on their spiritual journey. My case in point, spirituality is about seeking a meaningful connection with the infinite intelligence, your spiritual source. You may refer to as infinite intelligence, infinite mind, the creator, source, or God. This connection will result in a positive emotions, peace, gratitude, love, and acceptance. In all honesty, spirituality is really about a way of living. It is about a commitment of living your life a certain way. Yes, there is a practice that comes along with it. Join me in the next video where we talk about practical spirituality, where we discuss more about the spiritual journey. Also, be sure to like and subscribe to this channel, and be sure to find me on social media. I'm all over the place. I have handles everywhere. If not, I'm sure the descriptions are down below. I'm A.X. Shane, the Spirit Coach. We are on the journey to self-discovery, self-love, and self-realization. Until next time, stay well and stay awake.